Today, we're diving into a hot topic: how to get catering orders on DoorDash. With the growing demand for food delivery services, many are looking to tap into the lucrative world of catering orders. Let's break down the steps and strategies to boost your success in this area. Firstly, it's essential to understand the DoorDash platform and how catering orders differ from traditional meal deliveries. Catering orders are usually larger, require more preparation time, and offer the potential for higher earnings. They're not your average dinner delivery, they're for events, meetings, and parties. To start getting catering orders, ensure your DoorDash profile stands out. High-quality images of your food, detailed descriptions, and an emphasis on your ability to cater to large groups are crucial. Think of your profile as your first impression. Make it count. Another key strategy is to leverage reviews and ratings. Encourage your satisfied customers to leave positive feedback. High ratings not only build trust with potential clients, but also improve your visibility on the platform. Remember, in the world of DoorDash, your reputation precedes you. Additionally, offering a diverse menu that can cater to various dietary needs and preferences can significantly increase your chance of securing catering orders. Whether it's vegan, gluten-free, or child-friendly options, showing that you can accommodate various needs will make your service more appealing. Networking and marketing outside of DoorDash can also play a pivotal role. Use social media, your own website, or even community events to promote your catering capabilities. Sometimes the best way to attract large orders is by going directly to where your potential customers are. Lastly, always strive for professionalism and reliability. For catering orders, timing and quality are everything. Being punctual, prepared, and proactive in communication will set you apart from the competition. Remember, a successful catering delivery can lead to repeat business and word-of-mouth referrals. In conclusion, getting catering orders on DoorDash involves a combination of platform optimization, external marketing, menu diversity, and impeccable service. Understand what your customers are looking for in a catering service and ensure you deliver on those expectations. Thank you for watching. As the food delivery industry continues to evolve, catering orders represent a fantastic opportunity for growth and expansion. Equip yourself with these strategies and watch your DoorDash business flourish. Here's to your success in catering on DoorDash.